Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge, the podcast that focuses on sharing culinary education. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode, I'd like to discuss the properties of eating avocados every day. Avocados are truly one of nature's little miracle foods, and I encourage you to enjoy them several times a week. From adding it to your favorite smoothies or whipping up some tasty guacamole, the options are of course endless. But is it what avocado wish you knew? Your cholesterol improves. While avocados may have gotten a bad reputation for being high in calories and fat, F contains 113 calories and 10 grams of fat. They mostly give you monounsaturated fat, which is healthy in moderation. The good fat boosts your level of good HDL while lowering the bad LDL cholesterol. You might have a better digestion. F of an avocado contains just under 5 grams of dietary fiber, and of course, all of this depends on the size. Adding avocado to your daily dietary regimen can help you prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestion. Another big benefit of this high-fiber fruit is that you will feel full much longer. By adding avocado slices to your toast, sandwich, or salad, you can stay satiated for up to 3 hours. You get protection from diseases and infections. Avocados are a great source of vitamin B, which helps prevent disease and infection. They're also loaded with vitamin C and E, plus natural plant chemicals that may help prevent cancer. Because they are high in antioxidant phytochemicals such as lutein and zeaxanthin, avocado may help prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Hey, you'll probably even sleep better. Not only do avocados taste great, but they're also loaded with magnesium, 19.5 milligrams for half of a medium-sized avocado, which experts consider an anti-stress nutrient. And just make sure to wash your avocado before eating it. You'll have a natural glow. Glowing skin, bright eyes, and shiny hair are added perks from eating this amazing superfood. This is because of its fat-soluble vitamins and monounsaturated fats. Well, I am sure in conclusion that you didn't need me to convince you in eating avocados. You probably have done this all along in your daily diet, but I just wanted to remind you of how wonderful it is. And that is all for this particular session on the avocado and how important that is in our daily diet. We'll reconnect on the next round. Thanks for listening. Ciao, ciao.